Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are all doing really well. Thank you so much for checking back in. I'm really excited about today's video because I'm going to be showing you some of my favourite outfits that I've been wearing recently. So the weather in the UK has been very changeable. If you're based here, you'll also know this. Like last weekend it was like 25 degrees and sunny, it was like sunbathing in the garden, and then the next day it's like torrential rain and you basically need a coat. So yeah, we're going to ignore the coat weather and stick with the spring summer vibes. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you some of my favourite outfits, and as usual I'll link everything down below. I'm also going to be showing you a new handbag which I got last week, and a few of you over on Instagram have been asking me to do like a little unboxing. I have already unboxed it because I put that on TikTok, but I'll just show you the bag in a little bit more detail. I also have a bit of a cold, so my voice does sound a bit different because I am a bit blocked up, but yes, please ignore that, and I think let's just get going. So as usual, I've already got my first outfit on. How cute is this little dress? I am obsessed. This is from Chic. They have some really cute pieces like this at the moment and I could not resist it. I have also worn this as a top, so because it is quite short and quite tight fitting, you can layer this over things. So I have worn a skirt over this, and it looked quite cute, and it feels a little bit more covered up because it is a little bit short. I feel like I can only wear this at certain times, but yeah, super cute. We all know I love a little contrasting piece. I don't need to say that again. And I really love this collar detail here. The buttons don't undo, you can't, they're kind of fixed in place. They're more for kind of a style addition. But yeah, really cute dress. These pockets actually are real, not that you would keep anything in them. But I got this in a UK size 6. Everything in Chic I get in a size 6 and I find that it all fits pretty well. And yeah, it's a really lovely, flattering fit. So I paired it with my black mini flap and also these little slingback. These are from Amazon, believe it or not. They look really similar to the Chanel slingbacks, but as I've said before, I wear shoes to death and I don't really like buying like everyday shoes designer just because I just know I'm going to ruin them. So yeah, I'd rather spend money on a handbag. But yeah, these have actually been really good. I think they're £50–60 from Amazon, so yeah, I would really recommend those, and they're really quite comfortable as well. I have also layered this dress with a jumper. I've layered this over the shoulders, which I think look quite cute, just because the weather is quite changeable and you just don't know what's going to happen. I don't trust the sun in the UK, so I always want to take an extra layer just in case, and this cardigan is from Urban Reviver. So next outfit I wanted to show you is a very neutral outfit. This is one of my favourite colour palettes. I love a little bit of beige and white and brown together, as I'm sure you know if you've been watching my channel for a while. So these trousers I won't talk a lot about. These are the H&M ones that I have worn to death, and my Reese belt again, which I've worn to death, and my Karen Millen top, and also this jacket is new from Karen Millen. I just love a beige jacket. I have so many beige jackets, but I just feel like they just make an outfit, and a jacket like this you could wear any time of year. You could pair it under a coat in winter, or it's perfect for this time of year, especially with the weather is how it is. It's always good to have a light jacket, even if it's sunny. I do not trust the sun. So yeah, so these type of jackets come in handy, and this is in a UK size 6, which is an extra small, and I really like the fit. It has a little bit of space, but it's also quite a nice fitted jacket. So it has these really lovely gold military buttons. We know I love a good button. I'll show you the shoes. So I have paired it with these little mango slingbacks. I got these last year, so I don't think they're in stock anymore. But I'll have a look for some alternatives, because those shoes, I feel like I didn't realise how much I needed these shoes until I got them. It's so handy to have just a plain nude low heel in your wardrobe. They have come in handy so much, and I've worn them a million times more than I would. So I would definitely recommend getting a pair of those for your wardrobe. I also just wanted to show you another combination which is obviously very similar. I have just swapped the belt to the same belt but a different colour. You know I like something when I have it in several colours. And I changed up the jacket to this blue tweed jacket. I know quite a few of you have asked for maybe a touch more colour in some of my spring outfits, and I do think spring is the perfect time to add some pastels to your wardrobe, and I love this blue tweed jacket. This is from Goelia. I think I also have a discount code for them, so I will pop that down below as well. And this jacket is just so gorgeous. I have the matching skirt as well. It just screams spring. It screams Paris. It's just a really gorgeous jacket, and this looks so nice paired with jeans as well. It really dresses up a pair of jeans, so I couldn't recommend this jacket anymore, and I got this in a size extra small. Right, I promise you I will show you some non-white trouser outfits, but I just thought whilst I had them on I might as well just show you all the different combinations with the trousers. So I've actually unintentionally made like a mini H&M haul in this video, because I've bought quite a few new things from H&M and I want to show you them all in different outfits. So yeah, that was unintentional. But yeah, lots of new cute things from H&M, including this top. So it's actually a bodysuit. I would size up on this because I got this my usual size, a UK 6, but I really had to pull this on. But once I've got it on, it's fine, but it was just a bit of a struggle. The only thing I would say about this is it does kind of give swimsuit vibes, but not that that matters, because I would wear a swimsuit as a top. But yeah, really love the neckline of this. It's a one shoulder, and an asymmetric style, really gorgeous. And I just think, as we know, I don't need to say this, black and white looks so chic together. So I paired it with these white trousers. I just feel like this gives a very chic, classic look. You can't go wrong with a top like this, and it's just so much more interesting than just a plain black vest top. And you probably could wear this as a swimsuit if you wanted to. How cute is this top? When I saw it online, I didn't know whether to buy it just because I have quite a few things like this, and I've seen quite a few things like this in Abercrombie as well, but I just couldn't resist it because we know I love tops like this. But I'm actually really surprised how much I love it. I knew I was going to love it, but I didn't think I was going to love it this much because it actually looks way more expensive than what I thought. It definitely doesn't look H&M. It looks a lot more like thicker. The material feels way better quality. So I'm so surprised with this. So I'm definitely going to have to keep this. But this is so cute. I love the cropped style of it. I love the fit of it. This is a UK size 6. Obviously love the buttons, and I also think it looks really cute with this little skirt. The skirt is from Zara, and I've paired it again with these Amazon slingbacks, which looks super cute, and my Chanel mini flap, and my Celine sunnies. And I just think this outfit is so cute. It's very gossip girl, it's very preppy. I just think it is so cute and I love it. These H&M pieces just get better and better. This set is just to die for. How stunning is this? It is so so cute. I love the shape of it, I love the style of it, I love the colour, I love the length of it, it's not too short. It's perfect, and obviously such a good price. I got this in a UK size 6, has really gorgeous gold buttons. It is a matching set, but you could wear this top separately. I would pair this with maybe some jeans. I think this would look really cute. I'd also pair it with a little black skirt, some black tailored trousers, some cream tailored trousers. It really is a super versatile top, and I love the short sleeves because it makes it a little bit different to all the long sleeve military button cardigans out there, because there are a lot of them out there at the moment. So I paired this again with my slingbacks and also with the same bag. Really, really cute. Again, very preppy, very old money. But it's also a really versatile outfit. I feel like I could wear this to brunch, I could wear this to the pub, I could wear this to dinner, I could wear this out for drinks with the girls, I could wear this on a date with my boyfriend. Like, I feel like it just suits everything. So yeah, another really, really cute outfit. Another outfit I've been wearing a lot recently is this Lily Silk cream pleated midi dress. It's perfect for this weather. As I keep mentioning, this weather is quite unpredictable, so I've been feeling like I can't quite go sleeveless on a lot of the days, and this is a really elegant, beautiful dress, and it feels quite springy, quite floaty, but it's still knitted. So it still gives you a tiny bit of warmth, and I absolutely love this Bardo neckline. It's a really, really beautiful dress. I've added this Reese belt just to give it a little bit more of a feminine silhouette. It does come in on the waist, but just to add a little bit of extra something, also kind of dresses it up and adds a little bit of a point of interest. I have worn this before with some like pointed slingbacks. The nude ones work perfectly with this dress. It's just so elegant, it's so chic. Again, really versatile. You could wear this out for dinner, you could wear it during the day with some, you could even pair this with some flat ballet pumps or some flat sandals. Really is a super, super versatile dress, and it also works for the office as well. You can pair it with some heels. It's actually 80% silk, so as you can imagine, it's really soft. It looks like knitwear, but it has this really, really gorgeous sheen to it. It looks very, very luxury, and it is a little bit of luxury. It's nice to have those nice fabrics in your wardrobe because it does kind of give you that extra kind of quiet luxury feel to your outfits. So yeah, I couldn't recommend this dress any more. So here she is. I have honestly been lusting after this bag for years and years, so you can imagine I was very excited. I don't know if anyone else does this, but when you buy something expensive, I'm really weird. I basically keep it in the bag for so long. I don't know why I do it. It's not just me. My friend also said she did the same thing. And I've also had other influencers say it when they buy a handbag. I don't know why I do that. I just keep it in the bag because I don't know whether it's like a bit of guilt, but it shouldn't be guilt because I've literally thought about this bag for years and years. It is not a spontaneous purchase, believe me. So I don't know why I get it, but I finally unboxed it. I think it took me about a week. But yes, and I am so, so excited. Every time I look at it, I just think it is so beautiful. You can probably guess what it is, because over on Instagram, I have been talking about this bag for so long, but I obviously got the Lady Dior. This is so, so gorgeous. I got this in the mini size. I was tempted with the small size, but I felt like this was big enough. I do like my mini bags, and the small size was, I think it was about £1,000 more, and I just didn't think it was worth it, and I feel like this is gonna fit all the essentials, and I also just quite like how this one fits and how it looks with an outfit, I do generally prefer smaller bags. The smaller size has a chain strap instead of the thicker leather strap, which is really nice if you want to wear it as an evening bag or just to have this hang over. But yeah, I'm so in love. The only thing I think I need to get is a twilly, maybe to put on the handles, maybe if I'm using it when I'm on holiday and my hands might be a bit sweaty or fake tanny or something, and I think I need to protect the handles. So you'll be seeing a lot more of her soon, because I'll be pairing her with lots of my spring summer outfits. So that brings me to the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. As I said earlier, I will link everything down below in the description box, and I'll also pop some discount codes for you as well. And thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.